In front of me is Poco X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent. Tap on this gear at the top left corner and operate all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. Then you can click on the top right corner and bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!